Can nature bring me closer to myself, to my own nature? What is my nature? Who am I? Often when I sit under a tree, it makes me reflect on my own self, on the whole aspect of life, the joy of giving, contentment in sharing and sustaining one and all. The purpose of life is shown in the selfless service of a tree. Every branch, every twig, every leaf is constantly serving without any expectation of return. The whole planet strives on this service of a tree, and this makes me reflect. I am just like that seed that grows into a mighty tree, one that just gives, gives, and gives. This selfless giving makes it free. Who am I? I am the tree. Like a tree, I constantly share love, peace, humility, tolerance, compassion, and light. Just be like the tree.